Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary. Today I am gonna tour you in Wild Coast. But before we start, kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video because it really helps me to produce more content.
Whether you're here to unwind or explore, Wild Coast Resort offers something for everybody. But like any vacation spot, there are few areas that could use some attention to ensure your stay is absolutely perfect. The moment you step into the resort, you're greeted by the reception team. The security guard and staff could benefit from a slightly warmer approach. At times, their seriousness can come across as intimidating, especially if you're new to the resort. A new, more comfortable couch would go a long way in making these already beautiful rooms even better. With that said, the rooms are spacious, clean, and provide a relaxing escape from the outside world.
We got the ocean view. Would you like to say hi to the camera? Would you like to say hi to the camera?
Hi.
No, here.
Uh.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Say hi. Come.
Go to the air. Hi.
Hi.
Hi guys. Today we in
Wild Coast.
Wild Coast. You know this ocean view. Go look at this. In the whole right here, you see this ocean.
Okay, he's trying to show the ocean view. There's the ocean view.
That's not the ocean view.
Is it not? There's ocean view?
That's the ocean view.
It is.
For those who love the outdoor, the resort boasts a gorgeous outdoor pool, surrounded by lush greenery. This pool offers a peaceful spot to unwind while enjoying the fresh coastal air. The indoor pool is another area where there's room for improvement. The pool benches and chairs could use a deep clean. Keeping this area fresh and inviting will really enhance the overall experience for guests. And then there's the beach. Just step away from the resort, the golden sand and gentle waves invites you to spend your days swimming, sunbathing, or enjoying beach sport. Whether you're walking along the shoreline or taking a boat ride, the beach here offers an amazing escape.
Oh no.
What is it?
It's a long walk.
So long.
No, not really a long walk. It's just long for me because I don't exercise.
But it's not a long walk for me.
It's not a long walk for Elijah.
When hunger strikes, head over to Maltos restaurant, known for its elegant setting and exceptional menu. Maltos serve up a variety of dishes, blending local flavor with international cuisine. Whether you're craving for fresh seafood, a delicious steak, or a light salad, Maltos has something to satisfy every palate. If you're in the mood for something a bit more casual, Chico's restaurant is the place to be. Known for its laid-back vibe and vibrant menu, Chico's offers a great selection of tasty dishes in a very relaxed atmosphere. The Lagoon Bar is a great spot to relax with a drink. However, the bar closes a little too early, especially for guests who want to unwind after a long day of activities. Speaking of activities, the pool and some of the entertainment area close quite early, around 6 p.m. This can be a bit frustrating, especially when you're on vacation and looking to unwind. Currently, their Netflix room is out of order, but no worry, there are plenty of other ways to relax. The Wild Coast Resort offers a top-notch country club. The beautifully designed golf course provides stunning views of the coast and is perfect for both seasoned golfers and beginners alike. For the family and thrill seeker, the resort's water park is a must visit. With slides, a splash zone, and plenty of fun for all ages, it's an absolute hit with kids and adults alike. Although the resort needs a little bit of free touch, it still offers a relaxation, adventure, or just a bit of everything from stunning ocean views and beautiful pools, exciting entertainment. It's the perfect destination for anyone seeking a mix of nature and luxury. So, what are you waiting for? Plan your getaway to the Wild Coast Resort today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration and resort reviews.